Hold on, what is this?
Hi, my name's Bella, and I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, just like the name of this video is. I have all this makeup.
What?
It has the makeup in the sides, which I will show you. This. I'm going to be doing makeup on myself.
Yeah, you do that.
And I also have this.
I'm putting a video.
And the bottom, there's a door, and I'll get that out. I have this eyeliner, this lip gloss, this lip gloss, and this lip gloss, and I also have something else. I have all these. I'm not sure what they are for. It does not say. I do have these and have all the names on the back. So you turn this thing like this, and then boom, it's right on the back. All the names. So the shimmer, like pink, not it look pink. I ain't reading all the names. I'm gonna put everything back. I'm going to start with some blush. So the best thing to use for blush is definitely this blush. Okay, let's see. You can use whatever kind you would like. I'm going to be using pink, light pink blush. So look, since my skin is kind of dark. So let's go. Okay. I'm going to be using the light pink. You can use whatever color you want. I really do not care. I'm just going to do this. Whatever kind you like. I have all my makeup from Ultra Beauty. And it's really expensive. So I'm trying not to waste it. Where you put blush is like all around your cheeks and your face and stuff. There we go. Okay. So I got the blush checked. I have them in these little palettes that my sister gave me. Okay, next I'm going to use some cream eyeshadow. This is a very pretty one. I'm probably going to use the Lilac Glitter Top Goat. That's what I'm going to use for that eyeliner. And I recommend using this brush with the curved ending here. Okay. You can use whatever you want, but if you want to use the ones that I'm using, that is totally fine with me. I'm recommending putting your eye down so that you can do it. Oh my god. See how the difference is from more pinkish. I'm not sure if you can see that. And I do recommend Huggies full makeup to clean off the brushes after you're done. And to get all the curves that you've messed up off, because it's really simple. If you see. Let's see. So let's move on. No, and I forgot eyeshadow and eyeliner. I totally forgot about that. Okay, there is eyeshadow and eyeliner that I still have to put on with the same exact brush that I'm going to use. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the purple. That'd be way more easier. I'm not good at applying that. But some people aren't for the first time. I don't care if I messed up. Okay. Next, I'm going to move on to the next. I don't have a bunch of lipstick. I just have like one lip gloss. Well, I have 2 lip glosses and 1 entire lipstick. I'm going to use this for lipstick. Everyone knows how to apply lipstick, but I'm not good. And I do have this other eyeliner, dual eyeliner, and I just like write it on. But I already used the other eyeliner, so I'm not going to be using this. I'm going to take all this stuff out. That came with this. This all makeup, all of it came with this. It's from Ultra Beauty and it's very expensive. I have no idea what this is. So I recommend that it's putting on my eyes. So I'm going to wipe off this and put on this. I'm sure it's all off. And do this one more swipe and off. This, gotta use this one again. Brush. And I'm going to use this light green. We're done. Okay. I'm done. The lipstick and the eyeliner, the eyeshadow, whatever, does not look good together. So I do not recommend using the same colors that I did because it's not that pretty. But if you think it's pretty, you can go ahead. I don't really care. So that was it. That was my entire makeup tutorial. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.